Y'all know what to do, man. Hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. About to hit you with another one. God Squad. So fucking pissed off right now, man. Damn, I'm trying to get to work, get this bread, man. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, man. Hold on, let me show y'all this, man. I'm so fucking... Come on, man. We turnover gang, man. Damn. Shut the fuck up. Ah! It's freezing cold out here. I got clients waiting on me at the barbershop. Man. I ain't blowing back. I'm just mad as a motherfucker at this damn Pontiac, man. Fuck you, car. Fuck you. Fuck you. Badass Halloween, man. This how I'm gonna start off this pussy ass holiday, man. This how it's gonna start off, man. My shit. Give it some gas. Shit don't want to start, man. Man, give me some likes for my frustration, man. I'm fucking pissed. So as y'all see, I made it to work today, man. I was pissed off this morning, but I'm cool now, man. I'm cool. Listen to these niggas argue about rich people. I want to be rich, so y'all can argue about me one day.
Just told you, man.
Can I get rich?
Tyler Perry ever did to these niggas is look these niggas. This nigga went and bought a whole studio. Now, what man you know, listen, what man you know ever done that? None. Not Floyd. Floyd spent all his money on jewelry, cars, and paying for bitches' hotel rooms. And
he's a billionaire.
Yeah, he a billionaire though. But at the same time, the nigga ain't got sense enough, you know what I'm saying, to reinvent himself like 50 Cent and like see, there you go, he going that
Why y'all doing all that fucking talking? But just be quiet. This nigga ain't worth nothing but $600 million. Stop it! That's Tyler Perry. He ain't worth nothing but $600 million. Man, stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Hey, my homeboy, the king of crackhead lighters, man. I ain't never saw him with a big. I saw him with one big, but it was half empty and the silver piece on top was gone. He ain't no crackhead. That's far from that. But he always got a crackhead lighter. I think he knows some crackhead hoes at work or something. Hey, somebody said Halloween canceled till tomorrow because it's so cold outside. So they gonna do it again tomorrow. They gonna tell somebody they can't come out here and get no candy today. I remember when we was kids, we had on a whole little snow suit, boots, with our costume on, walking through about 3 feet of snow. I mean inches. I'm vlogging. The fuck you want? So tonight, I'm gonna try to prank wifey again. I'm gonna do it better. I'm gonna be swifter. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna be lit. I just saw a little boy walking with an all-white parrot on his shoulder, man. Kind of make me want a parrot now. That's so hard. He walking down the street with a whole parrot though, man. That's so gangster to me. Damn, how you get a parrot just to stay on your shoulder like that though?
Never leave the house.
So, I'm back. Hey. Damn, I thought somebody was standing there. It looked like somebody was standing there. But check this out, y'all. Got my baby back rolling, man. I feel sorry for cussing her out today, man. I'm sorry I treated you so bad today. You back rolling. You doing me some justice. I was so mad at you today, Pontiac. Pontiac like DDG. Whoop. So like I said, I plan on pranking wifey today, man. Again, she's a hard one to prank because I just don't know what it is. She don't believe nothing. So she ain't falling for it when it happened to her. Damn, I got 2 hoods on because I just finished getting a jump, man. That's all I needed this morning was a jump for real. So my homeboy Tom, he's still right there. He got me right. He's still in this truck, man. I had to step away. He playing the game, man. Everybody know I don't really mess too much with games. I ain't never been a gamer or nothing like that. He playing the game on his phone and shit. But games is cool, but not for me. I will be getting my grandsons. Now, I ain't gonna say what I'm gonna get them for Christmas, because I might not get it. Woo! Hey, y'all know I had to take her for a ride. I had to take her for a ride, man. She been in the house all day, man. She ain't been outside all day, man. My baby wanna see the streets. My baby straight wanna see the streets, man. She's something else, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This girl is something else. Just taking them around the block right quick. Basically so she can stay her ass charged up. It's cold as turn my heat on, matter of fact. Goddamn cold, whoa. Turn this damn heat on, y'all. Yeah, man. I don't know, man. I'm cheap. I think I'm gonna make a mask. I think I'm gonna go home and make a mask today. Part of it is being cheap, part of it is being lazy. But I might go to the Dollar Tree and get one of them little cheapos. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't into Halloween like that. I just like scaring my baby sometime, man. That stuff be so funny to me. You know what I'm saying? It's like you get such a joy out of pranking people. She gonna get me back one day when I'm least expecting. That's how I wanna smoke on my payday. I wanna smoke just like that. Man, I'm so pissed off again, man. I just drove this piece of shit. Gets back home. Turn the car off. See if it'll start back up. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. I'm tired of this car, man. I ain't gonna lie. So now, I'm finna get some money. Go to AutoZone and buy me one of them things where I could Give myself a jump. It's Halloween, man. I want some candy. Shit. Yeah, I wasn't able to get my car fixed, man, so my night is fucked up. Yeah, I wasn't able to get my car fixed, man, so my night is fucked up. Night is fucked up. Damn, man. I ain't gonna trip off of it. But you ever notice, like, you don't really give a fuck about your car. You be calling it a piece of shit until it's time to, like, you really need it and you miss it and you trying to catch a ride or something, man. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging over here. Get down. Can I vlog in peace? Can I vlog? Can I vlog? I wasn't talking to you in the first place. Well, anyway, y'all. This is my night, man. I don't even know if I want to even prank her, man. I'm so fucking mad. Not mad, but just frustrated, I should say. I'm frustrated with that vehicle, man. Oh, bro. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Move, Marty. Get off me, man. Just said I was frustrated. You still want to try to get on me, man. Even though I'm frustrated. I don't need your, I don't, get down off me, man. I don't need, I don't need your sympathy. Get off of me. Down. Shit. Look like I need some sympathy, bro. The fuck? I just decided that I'm not gonna prank her tonight, man. I'm not in the mood. I'm just finna smoke, take my ass to bed, man. Get ready for the first of the month, man. Like I said, but I'm going to New York November something, man. I'm going to New York November 20th or some shit like that. So, with that being said, man, I'm just gonna end this vlog, man. And I'm out.